Hey guys, it's the Badgers again. I'm Sonny the Badger.
And I'm Angie, Momma Badger.
And we just got back from Daytona Bike Week. Our bikes are a complete mess because of the ride. They are nasty. I did clean off some of the bugs so we could see out of the windshield, but for the most part they're uncleaned. And one of the challenges we face is cleaning the bikes. I spend a ton of time cleaning the bikes. So does Momma Badger.
He does most of the time. He
I
surprises me.
I do most of the cleaning. So with that being said, while we were up in Daytona, we found F11 Topcoat. And so after talking to Jay there,
I'm Jay with Topcoat F11, and I'll give you a quick demonstration on our product. We're a polished version of a ceramic coating. It can be used on any and all surfaces, including your matte finishes, plastic, your Lexan windshields, your wheels, any matte on the engine. You simply spray a small amount on, buff it into the surface. See your nuts and bolts here. Plastic, a little goes a long way. It's that easy to apply. If you come over here to the engine, it works great on that black matte finish. Sprayed in the fins of the motor, it'll dry clear. Polish out your chrome, polish any of the shiny surfaces, and it'll give every surface its natural luster without a silicone greasy feel. It's going to stay cleaner longer and give you that a deep gloss finish on your gloss finishes. And it's going to keep the like new matte finish to its original condition. It will not make the matte finishes shiny.
and then it puts like a protective coating on everything you put it on,
through
right?
a 24-hour curing process, creating a protective barrier and an easy release surface to remove dirt, bugs, and debris. Your bike's going to stay cleaner longer, reduce your detailing so you get more ride.
We decided that we were going to give it a try. What is she doing? Oh, okay. She's showing you her shirt. Yes, we got really cool F11 Topcoat shirts and the F11 kit. So the biggest challenge is we live in Florida, so rainy season's about to come, and my bike gets caught in the rain all the time. And then we've got love bug season, which is another just horrible season. And so the point of Topcoat is to not have to keep washing the bike. And washing the bike, this is supposed to take care of that. So we're going to wash the bikes up. We're going to apply F11 Topcoat. And then I'm going to kind of follow along with the progression of it for maybe a couple weeks, let you know what I think. And I will give you the thumbs up or the thumbs down, depending on how it works for us. So we are going to get busy and get the bikes cleaned, and we'll check back in a few.
All right, let's do this.
The other interesting piece to this is I've had some bike and car wash for quite a while, and today I emptied it out. So that has got to be a sign that F11 is the answer, because I am now out of bike wash soap. So just kind of an interesting sign. And Momma Badger's already to work. Maybe I should stay here and talk to you and let her clean the bikes. What do you think?
So we're reading the directions here, and it says for best results apply to a clean, cool surface out of the sun at ambient temperature. So that's why we move the canopy over the top of us. Spray F11 onto the surface you want to enhance, coat, and protect. Spread F11 while hand buffing F11 into the surface using a clean microfiber towel. Flipping to a dry portion of the microfiber towel often during buffing. So we're getting our towels now. Final buff the freshly applied FL with another clean and dry microfiber towel to ensure F11 is entirely polished into the surface, leaving a streak-free, incredibly slick, and amazing shine. Coat one area or section at a time, move to the next, and repeat the process. So it also gives detailing 101, always test any new product in an inconspicuous spot, which we've already done. Okay, we're gonna get started. See how this goes.
Bring the camera over here. Can you come up over my shoulder? Can you see how much shinier this side is than this side? Can you see that?
Yeah, I can
See?
see it. I don't know that the camera can see it or not, but
Well, if the camera cannot see it, this side is way shinier than this side. So there's definitely a difference there. Guys, we're all done. Bikes are all clean, and I must say they look pretty freaking spectacular right now, right?
nice and shiny.
Yes. One of the big things I guess I want to say is these bikes are not show bikes by no means. We ride the ever-living crap out of them, probably 30,000 miles a year. So we'll
Even on my bike too.
yeah. So we will really get to test out this F11 product, you know, in real world situations. So we will keep you guys kind of posted as we go along. You know, after a couple weeks, I'm going to take a look at it. Of course, I'll wipe it down with it. But the whole goal here is to not have to get out the buckets and the hose and wash. And the other thing is, I could take a little bottle with me when we travel, so like when we got to Daytona, we could clean off our windshields in the front of our bikes and stuff like that while we're there, instead of just letting it sit.
Alright, so this was fun. It was a lot of fun doing this demo, so I can see lots more of these coming in the future. So be sure to either like and follow our pages or subscribe to us when we start doing YouTube.
The funny thing is, she thinks that this is fun. I do this all the time, and I'm like, geez, let's just get it over with. So at least she had a good time.
I enjoy doing this. This is a lot of fun.
All right. So guys, remember, it's not about the destination.
It's about the ride.
Well, it's July, so it's been 4 months since we started using the F11 product, and I can tell you from my point of view, it gets 2 thumbs up. It has worked as they promised. The bikes have been easier to clean. They've definitely been shinier and kept that shine longer. And I have been through love bug season, and I'm in rainy season right now, so it's kind of been through all of it. And I can say that it has worked very, very good, and I would highly recommend it. And guys, run out and get you some. Also, there will be a link in the description of this video where you can get exactly the kit that we got from Daytona if you're interested. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, like the page and share with your friends. See you soon.